Hey everyone, my name is Randy. I am starting my new fragrance channel today. I've done a few videos on TikTok talking about the fragrances that I've owned. I have a collection that I've been collecting for about a year now. I think it's like about 40 or so bottles, from niche to designer to TJ Maxx cheapies. But the reason I wanted to create my own account on YouTube and start my own channel was because I started noticing that a lot of videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram feeds, they're all pretty much carbon copies of each other. They're people that are just doing the same fragrances over and over and over, and they're all saying the same thing about them, and a lot of times using words that it's like animalic or fecal or whatever. I want to kind of make this like a fragrance for dummies, even though I'm not saying anybody's dumb or that I'm dumb or anything like that. I'm just saying that I want to have a clear, honest reaction channel about fragrances, men's fragrances, unisex fragrances. Starting today, I wanted to also let you guys know I put the email for my channel, which is called Fragrance Dude. It's a little play on words with the oud wood. But I put my email in my bio. If you want to send any of your collections or anything having to do with fragrances to me, I'd be happy to share them on my channel, go over them, look at them, roast them, whatever you want me to do. I want this to be interactive. I don't want to have any hate here. I mean, pretty much everything that I want to do on this channel is just going to be honest, open reactions so that you can do the best shopping for yourself prior to buying your own version of that cologne or that fragrance, whatever you feel like getting. And I want to just be helpful in that experience. But today, the main reason I wanted to do the video is because I have my Yves Saint Laurent Eau de Parfum. I know you guys are going to say that's not new. The reason I wanted to do the video is because, again, I've been collecting for about a year, and this is the first time I've actually seen this. I was on their brand website on Yves Saint Laurent, and no, I'm not being paid by anybody, obviously. I have no videos. But you can get it for discounted rates. You can't even find this bottle on any of their fragrance sites right now, like Fragrance Net, Fragrance X. You can't find any of them on there. But on Yves Saint Laurent's website, it's $90 or so, and so it's at discounted rates for the Eau de Parfum. And you can not only do that, you can get your name engraved on it, or you can get a monogram like I did, or you can get a message, and that's free. So you pay the $90 for the bottle, which again, discounted rates. You get a cool gift for either a boyfriend, for yourself if you're a collector. I mean, that's what I love. I mean, I also have a Valentino Born in Roma Yellow Dream bottle that's on its way today. I was gonna include it in this video, but I might do it next once it gets here. But I also got a message on that bottle. So that's cool again for my collection, even once I'm done using it. And this is one of the most multi-versatile fragrances out there. If you don't know what it is, it's a fragrance that can be used as a signature fragrance. It's fresh, it's clean, it's citrusy. It can be used in any occasion, whether it be work, date night, getting out of the shower. It can be used in the summer and spring, which you dial the sprays up a little bit. In the fall and winter, again, you can still use it, and you just have to dial the sprays down, or dial the sprays up a little bit in the fall and winter and down in the spring and summer, because it needs to eat through the cold a little bit better. Really, it's one of the coolest bottles. It has a really great atomizer. And again, from YSL USA, you can go on there. I think the bottles on Fragrance Net were about $100, $98, and on their actual website, you can get it for $90. Free shipping and all that, with the monogram or name or message engraving. It's one of the coolest things I've seen so far in the fragrance community. If you like that, then I would go and pick that up. I'm new to this, so I might be able to put the link to it in the description, but I will take a look and see if I can do that. If you do want to join, please like and subscribe to my videos. I'll probably be doing them daily. Not 100% sure about that. I know my next video will be about Yellow Dream. I also don't want to do a video on a buying guide, like where to buy your fragrances, where not to buy your fragrances, because I did get a few fakes lately from eBay. I have Stronger With You Intensely that I wanted to do a video on, because I know a lot of channels are saying that Stronger With You line, you should buy each one because they're all different. And I'll go over it in more detail, but they're not. I have all three. They're not different. I mean, they're too close to have to spend $100 for each one. But yeah, I'll get into that further. But yeah, today, go to do the YSL if you're interested. If you like it, one of the best fragrances out there. One of the most used fragrances as far as freshness, clean. It's mass appealing. It's a really good fragrance. And again, get it for a great price right now. Go ahead and do that. But yeah, again, my name's Randy. If you want to email me, or if not, just like and subscribe, and I'll be back either later today or tomorrow with another video. Thanks a lot.